Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. In this video we're going to be talking about PrimeXBT.com. So let's get straight into the video. Also, before getting started to this video, if you can hit the like button and subscribe, it'd be awesome to share great support. So let's continue with the video. So I have previously made a video on PrimeXBT. In that video I have gone through a quick overview of the platform. So in this video we'll be getting started with how to register, login in, and how to get your first trade on it. So let's get straight into the video. So if you are new over here, so let me quickly explain you what it is. It is a Bitcoin and forex trading platform, with also you get commodities to trade in it, and you can take up to 100x of leverage. And also they are offering a good referral system of up to 50% revenue share. It is the first platform that is backed by crypto fund management, means you get all the PNL in crypto. If you trade in forex, commodities, or in Bitcoin, you get all the fund PNL in crypto. So that is also a plus point, and it is unique from others platform. So you don't need to be saying that it is just like the other same platforms on the crypto market, but it is a different, and you will see the UI and all the things different from other exchanges. So if you are a new user, I will be giving a direct link in the description, so you can just click on it, and this page will be open where you can sign up. You do not require any KYC to get started. It only take 1 to 2 minutes for creating an account with PrimeXBT. I have already logged in, so it will be going through me to my trade section. That is the first section when you just log in to the PrimeXBT. This is the UI. I have just customized it. So let me just get you an overview. From here you can add widgets, means if you want to add different chart, just click on chart and it will be added on this side. And if you want to add positions, customize it accordingly. This is my workspace where I trade forex, and this is where I keep charts on Bitcoin. And this is an activity log. It will be reminding you of message or any other activities that has been done, means like you have triggered your stop loss or take profit. And from here you can check out the trading history. So this was my most recent trade just 5 minutes ago before recording this video, and it gave me $16 in profit. So let's start how you can deposit and how you can get your first trade in. So after going to the account section, just click on deposit. It will be showing you your personal deposit address. Copy it. The minimum deposit is 0.001 BTC. So make sure you deposit the minimum balance in order to get reflected in this account. Also they have a Changely add-on added itself. You can buy Bitcoin using Visa or MasterCard. That is also a plus point for PrimeXBT users. If you want to directly purchase Bitcoin, you can just use your credit card to buy it. After you have deposited, your balance will be showed in your available wallet balance. And the plus point about PrimeXBT is that you have two types of wallet, means the first is a trading wallet and the second is on your normal wallet. Means example, you have deposited 1 Bitcoin, and if you want to only trade for 0.5 BTC, just if you overtrade it, because of overtrading you can lose all your balance. And so to protect half of the fund, you can keep half fund into their wallet, personal wallet, that is a deposit wallet, and the half to funding, that is trading wallet. So it will be helping you a lot in this. Also here is an affiliates section from where you can earn a good amount of money. If you have a networking skills, you get a direct payout of 20%, level 2 up to 15%, and level 3 and level 4 so on. You get a level 5 earning from this. So this is a direct referring system. If you have a good referring skill, then you can just seal your referral link in Facebook, Telegram, or also they have marketing kit available. You can download it and it will be helping you to. So the last is promo code. If you are a new user and you want to get started with and you want to get $100 bonus, then you need to deposit a minimum of 0.045 BTC. After depositing this, then you can just go to the promo code and add DDFX. That will be helping you $100 for trading. This is not withdrawable, that means you can trade it. So now let's begin to the trading page. So this is the So let me get into my workspace. So this is where I trade. The You get two options, that is sell and buy. Means if the price is going up, then you can buy. If the price is going down, then you can sell short. From here you can add the quantity you want. Just add in how much quantity you want. For example, one, you need a minimum of 100 contracts for forex. And from here you can select the time frame, and from here you can select the candlestick or bar or line. And here is a different toolbar, that is crosshair, arrow, no crosshair. From here you can, there are two options, that is buy stop or limit. This will be, means if you want to place a limit order, then just click on it and just drag below this and just click on the chart, and it will be creating a limit order. Just send the order, and this your order will be placed. And if you want to add take profit and stop loss, just click on this, place stop loss and take profit, and then just select both of these and enter the take profit and stop loss accordingly. Then here you can add pips value, and here you can add the BTC value. For example, if you want to take only 0.01 BTC loss, just add in 0.01 BTC, and at this price your order will be stop loss or take profit. So this is how the limit order and stop loss order work. If you want to place a manual order, just click on this sell, and from here you can select different types of order, limit, stop, cover order and all others thing. And here you will be, in here your balance will be shown, that is currently I have $16 and my equity is $623, which is available for trading. From here you can select the different pairs. For example, if you want forex pair, just click on forex. For example, if you want crypto, then just click crypto and just select ETH USD, and your chart will be opened over here. And there is a good option for called as regular trading, one click trading or double click trading. If you have good knowledge about trading, then only just go with this rather than just go with the default option, that is regular trading. In one click trading you can check what are one click and double click trading. This will be sending your order immediately without any confirmation. You can cancel, your cancellation order will be performed immediately and without confirmation. If you just click on buy, your order will be placed without confirmation. Whereas if you want to close your order, just click on close, your order will be closed. It will be not showing you an pop-up message that you are about to close your position and this is your profit. This will be nothing, just one click and your order will be closed. New entry order type is set to market order. No protection order are attached to new orders. Means these all are the market orders. If you are trading high volatile market and you are using one click trading, and for example you just bought, just click on buy, and your price may be below it, and you will be buy because of spread or volatility. So this is a very risky option if you using. I suggest you to go with the regular trading because it is much more sufficient and you get different type of orders available, and there are lots and lots of pair to trade, so you do not need to worry about setups. If you find setup in any other pair, just click on it and you can start trading it without any restriction. So that is the plus point that I like about PrimeXBT, that you get vast conditions to trade. You do not need to just wait for one pair to get your setup done and then you will take your trade. But there is forex, commodities and crypto, and in the crypto there are lots of pairs available too if you don't want to use forex or any other pairs. And the spreads, you can just check out the spreads you are getting. These spreads are really micro and it does not affect your trading at all. Means in some exchanges what happens is that there are lots and lots of spread that will be not benefit for the traders who day trade it. Also, if your stop loss is very tight, it may get hit very faster because of the spread and price fluctuation. So after you have just traded and you earned your profit, then just go to the account. If you want to invest, if you want to withdraw, just click on the withdraw, but make sure you have to first go to the account summary and you have to click on withdraw to wallet, because the balance you have made, that is the profit you have made, will be in your trading wallet. Means you have to withdraw that into your deposit wallet. Just click on withdraw to wallet, and this will be the available trading account balance. Just click on the max and click on transfer, and it will be transfer. Internal transfer successfully completed. This is not charging any of your cost, so don't worry about this. It is free and instantly. You do not wait to have any confirmation, or you have to confirm your email. But if you are withdrawing, you need to confirm your withdrawal address as well as the 2FA code that you will be getting. Just select the address, enter the amount, and you need to pay 0.005 BTC as a fees. So I'm not going to withdraw. After you click on the submit to withdrawal, you need to enter your 2FA code, that is Google Authenticator code. Then you can just click on OK, and it will be sending you another security mail, that is a code, 6-digit code that you have to enter, and your withdrawal will be processed. Withdrawal processed daily before 12 UTC, between 12 UTC and 14 UTC. If you have made a withdrawal before 12 UTC, it will be processed on the same day, whereas afterwards will be processed on the next day. So make sure to manage your withdrawal and deposit. If you want to deposit only takes 35 minutes. It is the fastest deposit ever I have seen. I just deposited a balance and it reflected within 35 minutes. It is very quick. And from here you can check out the trading history. Also you can check out the account statement they are giving. Will be generating a graph as well as all the realized PNL, unrealized PNL, how much we traded and what is the trading volume. So it is taking some time. Let's wait till it gets loaded. My account statement is loaded, and as you can see, this is the balance chart. My balance chart, how much I have deposited, traded. This is a spike, absolute drawdown, maximal drawdown. There are lots of options and details available. I made a withdrawal, last withdrawal, my was withdrawal, and here's a trade commission. All the details are available here if you want to cross check, and if you found any difficulties, then just message them on the live chat. Also they were featured in blocknomi.com, and this is the score that they got, 8.6 out of 10. This is a really good score for any other platform to get listed on this. So let's check out the pros and cons of this. Low fees, leverage available, credit card deposit available, referral system, anonymous account. These are the pros. We know that there are lots of exchanges that are charging KYC plus high fees, and they do not have available of leverage, that is 100x or any other leverage. They have small leverage, and they do not have referral system up to level 5, and this is the PrimeXBT platform is giving up to 5 level of income. Also the cons are newer exchange, not regulator, and email support. These cons are now all fixed. Newer exchange, it was on 2000, it started before 2019 and it is now 2020. So this point is should be cancelled. Not regulated, yes, this is the only con, that it is not regulated. And email support, the score should get between 9.5 according to me if they update. So that was the quick video. Also I want to announce that they are about to launch co-vesting. This will be a phenomenal feature from where you just need to deposit and start earning without any trading knowledge. If you have money, just put into the co-vesting account, and then professional trader will trade for you. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.